No, the games it's difficult to compare. I'm fortunate to be involved in those type of games, but it would be very difficult to compare because I think the dynamics around both games are a little bit different, you know. So I don't think it would be fair for me to compare the Soweto derby to Sundowns Pirates fixture, even though over the last few seasons the Sundowns. And I think if you look even from a marketing perspective, maybe Fatu is better informed or in a better position to validate my statement. But from a viewership perspective, it's probably the most viewed match in the PSL calendar. And so, of course, there's some excitement and there's a rivalry between the two clubs, and rightfully so, because of the stature and the magnitude of the clubs. But it would be